Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan chocolate. Before I start making it, I thought it would be better to explain a little bit about vegan chocolate. When you buy a chocolate, I have white chocolate chips here. I normally bake cookies or brownies with these kind of chocolate drops. If you see the ingredients here, it contains milk. For vegan, you don't take dairy, anything from animals. So this white chocolate is not vegan, obviously. And if you see, I have dark chocolate over here. Since this is dark chocolate, it doesn't have milk. It says it may contain milk because they're making white chocolate or milk chocolate in the same factory, so it may contain milk. So this is not 100% free from dairy. So, well, you can say maybe this is vegan, but it depends on how you see it. So to be safe, I'm going to make a vegan chocolate from scratch. So I'll show you right now. So this is vegan chocolate that I made. I kept this in the freezer for about half an hour. As you can see now, it's solid. I'm gonna try this out. I like it because I control the sugar in it, so it's not so sweet. And I really like the flavor of coconut because I used coconut oil and coconut sugar, so there's a hint of coconut flavor. I think I'm going to make like a truffle, vegan truffle, or vegan some chocolate dessert with this chocolate. I think I'm gonna keep the rest of it for my next videos. Actually, it's really good. Wow.